Hi, Dave here, DRD Allotments. Down today, do a bit of work. This behind us, I'm going to clear so that I've got some plants down there to put in. So that's what I'll be doing today. A lot of weeding to do and all around the allotment, but I don't think I'll get that done today. So I'm by myself. So what I'll probably do is I'll see if I can set up the tripod, do a time lapse. I was doing that. As I say, I've got the weeds to get out. Then I've got to put some feeding that in, and then I've got some tomatoes and peppers to put in. So see how they go, because I haven't got the room in the greenhouse. Well, I haven't got no more soil, so I've got to try these ones outside. They're looking a little bit scabby at the moment, but because I think they're pot bound, so we'll see how they go. So we'll be back soon when I get it set up for that. So just having a drink before I get started. So catch you soon. Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed that time lapse I just had done. That was done the other day. I'm now down allotment the other day, so I'm going to put these as sort of like one video. So I've just been down here weeding and everything, and still lots to do. I'll take you on a tour in a minute, but I've been making some comfrey tea, so I'll show you that. There we go, comfrey tea. I'll put the lid on that, mark it up, and I'll leave that for a long time. It'll go really smelly and horrible, but it's brilliant for the plants. So it's trying to rain at the moment. So I'll give you a little quick tour of what I'm up to now. So then we'll first little pony tunnel. There's my tomato plants. Starting to do okay. What we done the other day with the time lapse. I've got all that to clear yet. It's getting up when the lads are down. That side to clear. So we'll come along here. I'll not show you through. There's no fruit there. Then with other thingy, cucumbers, peppers, chilies. In the back, beetroot ready to go in. We're going to have to get a cane in here to put that up. So there's our potatoes. And there's our peas. I'm going to get them stringed up a bit more. These beds are starting to figure off now. Onions are dying off, so these beds are sort of coming down. I did put some, whether they'll grow or not, I did put some lettuce in there, but I don't think it'll grow. I think the onions make the soil too acidy. Same with the last of the onions, that'll get turned over. Strawberries in there. We'll get some more runners. We'll probably turn this one into a strawberry bed, and also we've got 2 strawberry beds, or the back one. Depends on which way one wants to do it. This bed is growing nothing at the moment. More weeds. Peas and leeks. So, not peas, beans. French beans. So Everything's growing slow. There's my rhubarb. More of that cut back. See, we're next door, DRD Allotment. Look at the bindweed coming back. So we've got to get that cleared, get the flipping bindweed off again. Okay, this bed with turnips. That's all that's in there at the moment. I am going to put the beetroot in. And this is my brassica bed. Except one thing isn't a brassica, and I didn't realise that is my courgettes. Courgettes are there. And the ones, these are broccoli. And at the back is my Brussels sprouts. So I should have had them up there with them. Yeah, because I didn't realise that courgette is classed as a fruit. So there you go. We're gonna this area at the moment is just wild corn. That's where I've been getting the comfrey from. I'm cutting the comfrey back. Once we get all this wood burnt and all this will be clear, and we're thinking of putting a pond here. We've got a pond coming, so we're looking at putting the pond here. So got to get all that cleared. But as I say, this bloody stuff is murder to fight. So with me working and Danny working and Rob at the thingy, we don't get a lot of time down here. So just get bits done at a time. So as I say, yeah, you gotta crawl before you walk. So slowly we'll eventually get things done. Water butts over there, water butt there, and there's 3 behind the shed, so plenty of that. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll do another one soon. You know, maybe fit another one of there, like I've done before when we're digging and all that, so it looks as though we're working dead fast at the time lapse. Yeah, if you enjoy that, let us know. So Dave signing off from DRD Allotment, so bye for now.